got a video. I like videos. We got a video from a guy named Mr. Rabbit. Rabbit? You mean like Rabbit? Mr. Rabbit, let's see what he got here.
Dr. Charles, I bought a Kindle tablet and there's no Play Store on it. How did I put the Google Play Store on my Kindle tablet? I don't know. Can you help me?
Well, tell you what. I made my own video and I show you how to put the Google Play Store on my Kindle. Let's have a watch. Hi guys, what I have here is the Kindle HD 10 Plus. The Plus has an extra mega memory on board. I got that one because I thought it would be a little faster. Now let's open this thing up. Be careful with knives, man, because they're sharp. They're kind of knifey. I'm going to cut here on a little piece of plastic. Open it. Ooh, I'm all excited. Let's pull this out. It's like in plastic. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, what's in here? Got the power supply, flash cards, and a USB-C thing. I think you gotta plug that in. With the flash card says, it says hello. It says fire, fire. There better not be a fire around here. I got gas. All right, let's open this. It's in like plastic stuff to keep it protected from that fire. Now watch out for the fires, you know. Oh. Yes, by looking at this, it looks kind of cool. There's a front-facing camera right here, and on the back there's a rear-facing camera. And then there's a volume control on here, and then a power button. And this is where the USB-C cable, whatever, I can't pronounce it, that's where that plugs in. And I think it says on the box here that it's wireless charging. So why do I need this? All I need is to plug into a wireless charging thingy-wingy. Let's turn the power on. Hit that button here. Now if you look here, I got the Google Play Store on here. They don't come with normal Kindles. Let me show you how to put it on. First, take your finger, pull it down. That's a cool menu, but let's pull it down again. See that cog on there? Touch it. From here, tap on Device Options. Then tap on About Fire Tablet, man. Now tap on the serial about 8 times or so. This will enable the developer options. You can be a hacker, man. Now back up one, and you see we have a new option called developer options. Let's turn this on. Oop, we got a warning. Oh, just click OK everywhere. We always get warnings. Now let's go down to USB debugging and turn it on. Oops, we got a warning. We'll just click on it. Now we're all set to go to a Windows-based PC, man. This is the website for the Fire Toolbox. Now let's scroll down to the bottom till we get to downloads. There's the download. Let's click on the exe file. In the corner you'll see it's downloading. Let's go over and open the file. There, click. Now there's the file. Now double click on it and open it. Now choose install for me only, recommended. Next. Oh boy, here we go. Now click finished. Now I'm going to take this tablet and I'm going to take a cable with a USB-C and I'm going to plug it in to the computer. If you're a new user, you tap right here. That's for tutorial. But I've done this before. I'm going to tap right here. Now to install Google Services, you got to click on Google Services. And now, you gotta click on Execute Tools. Hey, that's way down there. got smarts, man. Oh, it looks like it's installing the files right now. When it's all done, we just unplug our Kindle and we'll have the Google Play Store on there. However, you should wait about 10 minutes before you sign into Google Play. That way you know that it's all working. Oh, oh boy. Yeah, it's working. So unplug your Kindle Fire and boot it up. And when you look on it, it should have the Google Play Store on it. Otherwise, you're in deep doo-doo, man. Oh boy, I'm gonna be playing this all night. Oh. Yeah, and the Google Play Store. It's so cool. Yeah, wait till I tell Grandpa about this. Well, I hope you learned something, because I sure did. Now let's do the Charles dance. Boom, boom, boom.